inside. You say you moved on, but you didn't in the inside. Cause love is all you want, deep it down in the inside. Cause a true relationship you never experience on the outside.
What it do, y'all? We back with another video, and today we're gonna be trying some Dubois chocolate and some freeze-dried ice cream that we got from this place in the mall. I'm gonna put that in here too, and I want y'all to comment what y'all want us to get. But, you know, I'm gonna let Nacy try it first, and I'm gonna try it after.
Nah, you can try this one.
What
Try this. We're gonna do this one first. Just in case it ain't all that, we can just have that for after.
Oh, I don't know what that tastes like. I already busted open.
Oh, look at it. It's like it's gonna be nasty.
Oh no, I hope it ain't nasty though. Everybody be saying it's good.
It's a dark chocolate. Oh.
I don't think it don't look like. Let me see. Open it up.
You like good
Nah,
chocolate.
that ain't no dark chocolate.
Oh, these some big old pieces.
It look like- Is it a golden ticket in there or what?
Nah. You want a whole?
Just bust it in the middle.
Ooh.
It got this green in there. I don't know, y'all. It got that green little stuff in there. I don't know. I know, but we finna see. Smell like it might be alright.
Go ahead then.
Nah, let's bite it at the same time.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. What's that?
That green stuff crunchy. It kind of tastes like a crunch bar, but not as good as a crunch bar. I don't know. Everybody be saying it's so good, but that's how it ain't hard though.
It's alright. It ain't nothing I'm just like, oh, let me go get. I most definitely won't be trying it with the strawberries.
I gotta give me some drink.
I won't be doing that. I don't know. I think it's just like the middle. It tastes like almonds a little bit, but let me see. It's nasty, huh?
It dried out my throat.
Okay, next! We're gonna do this. Freeze dry.
I'm bad.
You want some?
That little nasty thing right there, $15.
Okay, now we're gonna be trying the freeze dry ice cream vanilla.
Now I hope that one good.
I think it will be. Cause it really smells good.
I don't know. We sure couldn't find out.
You want a big piece or a small? They like this the same size.
Yeah, you just handed one of them again. Look at how it look, y'all. Oh well, it's not.
You like cornstarch. Okay, 1. You good? Oh.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
It ain't bad. It tastes like Lucky Charms before they get wet. Like the marshmallows and Lucky Charms, that's what it tastes like. Yeah, it feels like. But like with more vanilla on
I don't like how you get creamy and stuff.
it turned into ice cream, I guess. I don't know. I'll get another one of them.
Yeah, it's good though.
Yeah, they not bad. I don't know. They get stuck in your teeth though. But
I know the strawberry were real good.
they had a strawberry. Oh yeah, they had a Napoleon.
I'll rate this 8 out of 10. Cause it's not bad. But this,
That right there, I give that a 2. That's a 2. I give that one a 7.
like that.
In my opinion, that's a 6. The ice cream is a 7.
what you
But
rate
that
it?
Dubois chocolate, I don't know. It's like, I don't know. It gets stuck in my teeth, and then like I don't know. It's just some type. They got cotton candy one.
Yeah.
It's all right. We're gonna try some more of those though, the different flavors, and comment down below what y'all want us to try next. Hey, we trying whatever. Whatever. I want to
Okay.
see her do the little one chip challenge though.
No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. That's nasty. We're gonna get the little crabs, the Korean crabs. We're gonna try that.
Oh yeah, the little crab chips. We about to order those today, so y'all best stay tuned. They should be here. I don't know. I didn't even look at the shipping, but we're gonna order some of those today.
Oh, I don't know.
That Dubois chocolate got my stomach hurting.
Time blue lemonade. A flaming anus chocolate bar.
Oh no, I don't want no hot chocolate.
Has like you. It's hard.
I don't know what you heard about me.
Oh, I had that.
They got chocolate as a gummy. They got to buy chocolate. You gonna try it?
Yeah, get the box. Right here. I don't know which one.
I don't know either. I think this the legit one. This one big. Look at this. Wait, what is that noise?
They got the candy pop in here. That's what I need.
This pretty good.
Which one?
Cream soda. She was drinking one of them.
My love was lost, I looked up in your heart and found it. I feel it pounding, she get wet for me like fountains. With you, feel like I'm on a mountain.